Hi, everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, today I've got for you the Oral-B IO Series 3. It's a rechargeable toothbrush, clinically proven, I mean, lean the other way, clinically proven to remove 400% more plaque from around the gum line. I can't say, I don't know, but it's a pretty bold statement by them. And I'm just unpacking this thing, taking a look at it. Comes with this cool thing, store your, didn't have it pushed on all the way. Store your extra brush heads. So that's handy. And comes with this, I guess it's a travel pack. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay, it snapped in real nice. Just took a little bit of practice. Okay. So that closes up there. And you take it on the road with you if you're a traveling person. So here's the power unit. And not very loud. Won't wreck your hearing. Simply pop the brush on like that. You can do this manually. And a regular toothbrush. Here's a charging stand right here. And when that stops flashing completely, you're charged. I did read that much. Okay, so it's the IO Series 3. Oral-B is one of the companies I spent a lifetime with. And I know their quality. And I like their stuff real well. So we'll keep this charging. Get you some. Make great gifts. If you've got, maybe you're like me, you got a teenager who, like I said, doesn't always do what he's supposed to do, then this might be helpful. Oral-B Series 3. Thanks. Bye now.